Well, hello there, you great people. How are you today? Yeah, I'm wandering around a grass yard again, basically. You're gonna see me doing a lot of that when I got little Ope with me. Well, we'll get to the agenda. We got unloaded last night. We got parked, we went to bed, we did the whole sleeping part. It's morning now, and well, you guys might be new. There might be some new subscribers to this channel that haven't watched the older videos. There is some serious addictions in trucking. I have a bad addiction, but I also have a good addiction. And today you guys will get to meet my dealer. Today you guys will get to meet my dealer of my good addiction. And it's a strong addiction. But it's one you guys need to know about me if you don't already. So let's go ahead, get Opie over here, get back in the truck, and go get that addiction. Look who's getting used to the truck. He sees our truck, he goes straight to it and waits by the door now. Usually. Now he's thinking, I'm not ready to get back in. I was in there all night. I gotta run. Alright, we'll leave you out for a little longer. Well, talk about nice days. It is going to be one today. I do have the feeling of it. And the wind's blowing a little bit, but I think we can put up with the wind for a day like this. Last night I got cold. I didn't like that part. I did not. Are you following me still? I need you to follow me. Hey, come on. Come on. No? I didn't like getting cold. That means my summer days are coming to an end probably. I hope not. I really hope not. Hey, Bonehead, come on. It's hard to find good followers. Well, the tires are good. He's got to run around grass. He's got to run around gravel. You know, I haven't talked about these in a while. Those are 7-inch Gila off-road lights with 100 watt bulbs in them. And I just broke a cover. That's sad. I just will take the other cover off now because I don't want to have it mismatched. I put those lights on probably, God, how long's it been, guys? I put those lights on a while back because I run a lot at night and I really love them. Really, really do. I love them. They're nice, bright, they light up the sky. And if you bright me, I can see your eye color. I'm just letting you know. Alrighty, let's get back in the truck. Dang it, that sucks. Luckily, I can order new covers for those lights online. Dang it. They're cheap. We'll make it work. Don't pay any attention to that. I have not made the bed yet, and that's just the way it's going to be right now because I don't feel like making the bed. And Opie, well, his bed is always made, and he's actually put a new comforter on it. You see that? Well, you guys can't see it. That is, they call it the hair edition. Yeah, it's the hair edition. It's a nice fluffy coat of his hair. Oh, you're actually looking at the camera. Almost. You're getting closer, you're not putting your head down. We might make him a camera dog yet. Let's go ahead and drive this truck. It's It's time to drive this truck. Let's drive this truck. I want to drive this truck. But I also don't want to show you guys my addiction, because you guys might take it all. And I don't want you guys to take it all, because I need it. I have to drive 40 miles just to get it. Let's go get it. I mean, some people have bad addictions. I'm not making light of this, guys, but this addiction I have is a very good addiction. Well, very good for me at least. No, guys, my addiction is not washing up. You guys know what I did there, didn't you? I forgot to set the trailer brakes before disconnecting the trailer. Like I was saying before, no, guys, my addiction is not washing out the trailer. Although I do love washing things, but that's not my addiction. Okay, I'm gonna take you to my dealer, but you guys have to promise not to tell anybody where it's located. I do not want the word getting out, or they sell out of it, or someone will come buy it all. All right, let's go ahead and head for the dealer now. Remember, hush is the word. Holy smokes, that was a fast trip. Are you okay, Opie? Are you okay? Oh, Little too quick, man, little too quick, but we made it really fast because addictions are strong. The last time my dealer was out, I had to make connections with somebody over 2 hours away from my house just to get my goods. Whew. That was a rough 2 weeks there. I had to go without it. Don't ever want to do that again. Alright, I'm going to show you my dealer, but remember, hush hush, do not tell anybody. There it is. That's my dealer. Please don't tell anyone, guys. Please don't. Now let's go see, make sure they're not sold out of what I need, what I gotta have. What do you guys think of my stylish mask? Yeah, I forgot my big ones at home, so I had to buy one at a truck stop. Extremely small, especially for a bearded guy. Damn you, Corona. One request. One request. I don't want to talk about it. One request. That's it. How can one box of cereal be so hard to find? Kellogg's, if you're listening, your Rice Krispies with mini marshmallows, you can't just make them and then stop making them because of a virus. I mean, you can't just stop making it. I have one more store. I'm gonna go look for it. Yeah, I'm gonna drive another 5 miles out of my way. Sad times. Sad times. It's just not fair. Well, let's try this again at this one. Hopefully we have some better luck. Ridiculous. Pure ridiculous. What has this world come to? Very sad. Then I come out to a truck that's not polished. Why didn't anybody polish that while I was inside? Icky white. I know, Opie. I'd be sad too. No Kellogg's Rice Krispies with mini marshmallows. It just doesn't exist anymore. Well, life will go on. Let's go take a nice, pretty, scenic drive and mope and cry into this beard. Alright. It's a nice road, guys. You'll like it. I usually ride it in my motorcycle, but we're going to take it in the truck. We need some time to ponder life. Life without Rice Krispies with mini marshmallows. I can live that life. I can make it work. We can call it a new normal. I've been hearing that word a lot, new normal. But I don't know if I can make that a new normal. I'll be back with you in a little bit. That's a nice road, isn't it? I really like driving that road. Used to take it a lot on the motorcycle. You know, years back that road used to be shot. You know, it was concrete and it wasn't any good. Then they came in, blacktopped it, and made it beautiful. And then Iowa changed their laws on their weight limits for trucks, and now we can gross out at 96,000 pounds. And we can't gross out at 96,000 pounds on the interstate, so every truck jumps off of the interstate, or, you know, the farmers take the back roads and take that road, and it has just chewed it all up, and it's back to not really being worth a hoot. So I haven't taken it a while in the motorcycle. You know, understandably so. You know, the trucker can make a little bit more money hauling heavier. Not a lot, but a little bit more. You know, and the farmers, they can move their crops to where it needs to be a lot faster, being heavier. But it's taken its toll on that road. If you guys haven't guessed it yet, yeah, we're heading for home. We definitely did not light the world on fire with this week. This week is what I call a really bad volunteer week. You should be able to push 2 of those Indiana loads out a week, and we got one. Yeah, that's right. We have 1 load out of there this week. What do you do though? You make it work. It's trucking. It's trucking. We're getting back on track here by September, October. We're getting to where we're in the truck every single day, except for maybe 1 or 2 a week. Then you guys will really get sick of me. Opie back there is probably missing his brother a little bit, and we'll see how they reunite. Hopefully they don't get in a fight about it. I'm sure his brother's not too happy that he's been gone all week in the truck with Dad. You know, some good things happened this week. We hit 1,000 subscribers. Once again, guys, truly do appreciate that. Man, that is awesome. You know, and I was reading my comments and everything last night, and, you know, I seen we're jumped up to 1,200 subscribers already. That climbed insane fast. I wasn't expecting that. You know, I thought maybe 1,000, then it'd take a little bit to build up some more, but 1,200, whew. We're going somewhere, guys. We're going somewhere. We didn't get our cereal, and you know, I really didn't want to, I didn't mean to make light of addictions. There is serious addictions in trucking, and cereal is not one of them. It definitely is not one of them. It's just my funny haha one that I truly love. I love that cereal. Anywho, let's go ahead and head for the house and see what everybody's up to there. That's no 30 by 40. Stand there, big boy. Stand there, big boy. Well, Opie, put that hair down. Look at that. Opie's crabby. Come here, Jackie, baby. Come here. Oh, yes. Opie's very hairy. Well, little bud, how did Opie do, or Jax do while we were gone? He did really well.
At night, sometimes he would whine, but that's pretty much it. He would always sleep in my room, too.
Slept in your room?
Yeah.
That is a little different. Usually he sleeps downstairs.
Yeah.
Well, I think he survived. I think he's happy.
Opie's cranky.
Opie is cranky. He was really angry.
His hair was already up and everything.
Yeah. Well, guys, like I said, we have made it home. What?
He was just in your muskmelon.
Here, Liv. Well, guys, like I said, we've made it home already. It wasn't a killer week, but we made it work, and I'm happy to see little bud. And we have a pool. I'm gonna go swimming. I think I want to go swimming. Yeah. Other than that, guys, be safe, and as always, I'll see you next time.